Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Oukitel WP23, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this device. To do it, first you need to open the control panel and disable all unnecessary features. So disable Bluetooth if you don't need it right now, disable Wi-Fi if you don't need the Wi-Fi connection right now, disable mobile data if you don't need it right now, disable hotspot. Of course, it's a very good idea to disable the location services because they are consuming a lot of battery power too. And disable newbie share. But I have no newbie share. Oh, it's here. Disable newbie share. And then, of course, you need to reduce the screen brightness because screen consuming a lot of battery power. Then you can open the battery. Afterwards, click battery saver and just enable battery saver mode. In battery saver mode, your device will live longer. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and bye. See you.